22RE runs super great, sounds amazing. You guys recall my engine sounding like a freaking diesel after I did my valve adjustment. Come to find out, the reason why it sounded like that because my timing chain was completely stretched and loose. Over the last few weeks, last few days, I replaced the timing chain, new water pump, new chain tensioner, new guides, new oil pump, new coils, and a new distributor. Now it runs like a beast with the EGR delay as well. Also changed all my fluids, differential fluid, transmission fluid. Also did a coolant flush. Sounds amazing. But on top of that, we do have one last issue. We got to replace the battery. This battery's been old. It's the original battery that was on this vehicle when I bought it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go buy a new battery, and then this truck will be fully beast mode. Super excited for it. Hope this helps you guys. If you guys are having an issue with your car or your 22RE sounding like a diesel, I'll slap a clip of it at the end of this video just for reference that anybody hasn't seen it yet. But if your vehicle, your 22RE sound like a diesel, one of the issue might be your timing chain. So go ahead and just swap that out. It's really easy. My first time doing it, I took my sweet time, cleaned everything, and it runs really good. I'm excited, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated. Follow the Instagram, NuttyNu_4x4. See you guys next time.